Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making homemade coconut ice cream. Okay, so we're gonna use 2 large eggs and we're gonna whisk very well. We want this to be nice and frothy. I actually got this recipe from the Ben and Jerry's ice cream dessert book. So this is the recipe to make homemade coconut ice cream from their book. All right, so like I said, we want to whisk our eggs very well. So now we're going to add 1 tin of condensed milk to it. So once we add that tin of condensed milk, again, you want to combine everything together nicely. You notice how it's frothing up there? So just continue whisking your eggs with your condensed milk. Now, there are some people who will have a problem with using raw eggs, but like I said, this is from their book. Okay, so I added there 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of coconut milk, because of course we're making coconut ice cream. So I added 2 dashes of vanilla essence. Now this was not in the book, if I remember rightly. Unfortunately, I have misplaced that book. There I added 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Again, that's optional, and 1 dash of almond essence, again, optional. Okay. But yeah, so like I was saying, you know, some persons might have a problem with the raw eggs. So if you don't want to do their recipe, then I also have another recipe on my channel on making coconut ice cream without using the eggs. Okay, so to add a little texture, I decided to add some shredded coconut to my ice cream base. Okay. Again, this was not in the recipe, so I sort of tweaked the recipe to suit me. All right, so here we have our ice cream maker. So now the ice cream maker, that bowl that is spinning there, that is kept in the freezer, so that is cold. So what you do now is you add your mixture to that, and it will just keep on churning and churning, and the coldness from that bowl will help to firm up your ice cream. Okay, so you would see I got a shot of it. Well, there's a shot of it, you know, churning. And now you can see where it started to firm up a bit. It's almost like a soft serve ice cream at this point. So of course you want to put it in your freezer to firm up more. Right, so at this point you get your freezer safe container, and there you have it, your homemade coconut ice cream. Enjoy!